Learning to code in 2025 is supposed to be easier than ever. We've got AI tools, thousands of free tutorials, and more courses than we can count. But for some reasons, it's never felt more impossible. Hey, you open YouTube to learn HTML, and 5 minutes later, you are hearing learn React. You must know Nextjs. You have to learn Tailwind, and now TypeScript. Wait. Use Python too. The advice is all over the place, and honestly, it's exhausting. Everyone says just build projects, but no one shows you how. What projects? What tools? In what order? Should we start from HTML and CSS, move to JavaScript, React, TypeScript, Tailwind, or what exactly? So you keep watching tutorials, hoping the next one will finally make sense, but nothing clicks. You are copying, pasting, not learning, and deep down you start wondering, am I just not smart enough for this? Here is what nobody says. Most people don't quit coding because it's too hard. They quit because they never had a clear path. Too many tutorials, too many opinions, not enough guidance. Learning to code doesn't have to feel like this, guys. You don't need to learn everything at once. You just need the right next step. That is why I am building a complete beginner roadmap from the very first HTML tag to your first deployed product. No fluff, no shortcuts, just clarity. We are going to climb up step by step. You follow along and we build real projects together. If you're tired of wasting time, tutorial open, and feeling stuck, subscribe now and let's learn together the real way, one step at a time. The beginner roadmap starts here. Thanks for watching and one love.